here's how to stop your microphone echo problem in Windows 10 and 11. So first you want to open the start menu and then search for sound settings and then open it. And then you want to click on source control panel or advanced sound settings for Windows 11, which is at the bottom usually. And it should open up the same window right here, which is this one. Now we want to go to the recording and then right click on the mic, go to properties, and then under listen tab, make sure listen to this device is not checked. If it's checked, you need to uncheck it and then click on apply and OK. Now you can close this. Now, if your system uses Realtek audio driver, you can install an app called Nahimic from the Microsoft Store. So you want to open the Microsoft Store and then search for Nahimic and then install it. And once it's installed, you will need to launch this application. So I want to click on open and it should open up this window. Now you want to go to the microphone settings, and from here you can adjust the literal sound cancellation and the echo cancellation. You need to turn it on to reduce or prevent the echo. You can also adjust this based on your environment. If you have a quiet environment or noisy, to reduce the noise or suppress the noise. Also, you can do a bunch of other things such as voice stabilization and microphone boosting and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.